Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the Shopify opening soon issue when you are first publishing your Shopify online store. So let's get right onto it. So if you are having the issue guys that your online store or your store on your Shopify is saying coming soon or opening soon, but you've already set it up. So there are a couple of reasons why this is happening. So the first one guys is if you have not yet completed the setup guide for your Shopify, so make sure to just follow all of the steps so that you can get over that issue. So the second one, guys, is after doing this, is if you have forgotten to uh, click the publish button because mainly the reason why this is happening is the online store is not yet published. So there, so make sure you've published this online store that you've created so that you can uh, view or manage the online store much effectively and much more openly. So the last one guys is if the online store is no longer active, so make sure you just go over to your settings here and make sure that your shop or online store is inactive as well. So the other uh, uh, issue guys is if you have not yet renamed your online store. So as you can see guys, my store name is on the default, so you just have to input that and you should be good to go on this. So make sure guys to follow all of the steps and try it all and see if that worked for you. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.